Welcome to Sunnyside Certified. This is Tiger, and we finally got the transmission in with the help of Simon, and still got a bunch of stuff left to do, and we're gonna knock down the list and keep it moving. All right, we are making progress. We got the subframe on and it's all torqued down. Got the rear mount on. All the bolts are torqued down. Front mount is torqued down. Got the dust cover right here with a clutch or transmission. And next up is the half shaft. And we'll be looking to put the turbo on. Or I might start down low and do the axles so I could get some fluids in the transmission, get the control arms on, and it's moving along pretty good. All right, we are making good progress. Got the passenger side axle on, along with the lower control arm. We also have driver's side axle on there. I haven't torqued down the axle nut yet because I'm gonna wait till it gets on the ground, because I don't have anybody holding the brakes at the moment. But I'm getting ready to fill the transmission fluid, and I had to order this from Amazon. Came pretty quick because my other funnel broke. But all right, we are making good progress. As you can see, you got the turbo on, but you didn't see I didn't put the downpipe back here before I put the turbo on the first time, so I had to take it back off so I could fit the downpipe with the wastegate. And it's just gonna bolt up to here. Got 4 bolts in the back, but I found a little, where the drain line goes is kind of a rough edge on the transmission, so I need to get a file, kind of file that down so it doesn't start digging into the drain line. But overall, I'm pretty happy how it's going. I got the vacuum manifold mounted to the subframe there. There's a custom bracket, and yeah, we're getting closer to at least starting this up and rolling through the gears. I would have to order a dust cover for the fork there, the clutch fork, and that should be in shortly through Amazon Prime. So yeah, we're moving along. I'll catch you next time.